宝宝厉害。
Go Green.
Gotta get to it, man.
Go Celtic. Good job, Darren.
Darren.
Oh. It's okay, stay with it.
Yep.
Good job, Xander.
Win it.
Come on, Braylon. Good. Way to go, Nico.
Go Celtic.
Go, Rick.
Let's go, boys. Get it back.
Come on, Celtic.
Intercept those. Intercept those.
Keep it.
Let's go, boys. Come on, Celtic. Be aggressive. Go, Joe.
Win it, Joe. Win it, Joe. Go Green. Get it, Green. No, the ball. Just the ball.
Good job. Let's go, boys.
Let's go, Celtic. I haven't been to a game in a while. The last game we played before this tournament was in December.
Go, you guys.
No.
Go.
Stop. Nice behind you.
Man on.
December.
Go Green.
Let's go, get it back. Let's go, boys.
Nice.
Good job, Darren.
Thank you, Darren.
Go.
Thank you, Darren. Talk. Nice. Go. Come on,
Win it,
Green.
There you go, Darren.
Yes, get it, Celtic.
There it is.
Nice. Nice. Win it, Bo. Come on. Great. Nice. Yep, they're on it. Yeah.
Dribble it.
They're on it. Yes, Max. Nice. There's Nico. There's Nico. Win it, Bo. Win it. Come on. Go Celtic! Let's go, boys. Come on here. Yep.
Yeah.
Keep at it. Keep following it.
Get that. Talk to each other,
Go
guys.
Celtic!
Guys, gotta go to the ball.
Stay with it. Good job, Joe. Come on, boys.
Oh.
Stay with it, Rev.
That game was close because it was 2-1.
Good job, Andrew.
So, ouch. Yeah. On track. Ow. Oh, he's injured. All of them. He's injured. I know. Go Celtic. Gotta get to it. Nice. Go Celtic! Win it! Follow it, Nico. Yep. Get it! Oh, his punching. His drop kicks.
Let's go, boys.
To him. Go Celtic! Max, win it, Max. Oh, he was looking around. Nice. Okay, green ball.
Let's go, Bo.
But my point is, yeah, I can move right as long as they score. So that was good of Jim. Forget about that. Oh!
Nice. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Get it!
Get it out, Nico!
Nice work, Nico! Do it again! Thank you.
Stay hungry, guys.
Most points they can get at any of these teams.
Get it. Win it.
Already won.
Come on.
They already won.
Get it.
We have 18 points. They have 10. Don't worry. They have 8. They have 8 points. Correct. And we already got it. That's right.
See a card.
And so I don't know if the boys, or even if the parents, just realize that we just
Play.
you don't want them to. Because a loss is 0. Because a loss is 0. That can't be true. That can't be true. That cannot be true.
Come on, boys, let's go.
They actually get correct. No, I actually said a loss.
Keep up.
So,
Stop passing, guys. Don't
I know sometimes I'm like,
Stay with it, stay with it.
nice, Max. So yeah, I don't, and it's surprising. It's surprising. It's not. No, it's not. That's why I'm surprised. Oh, no. But they call it. There's a label. Part of the label says. No, it's okay. Yeah, yeah. So I don't know what's in the fabric that. Yeah.
You got time. You got time. You guys pass the ball.
That's why it's a must win.
Talk to each other, guys.
Good job, Nico. Way to be there, Nico. Good job.
Yes! Go Celtics! Hustle, Nico. Get there.
It's all
Win
you.
it, Bray. Man on, Braylon. Man on. Nice. There you go. There you go. Get it. Get it. Stay with it.
Stay with it. Let's go, Max. Let's go, Joe.
Yes. Yes. You don't get points for
It's okay, stay with it. Good job, Nico. Oh, Ref.
just win. Just win.
You shouldn't.
Doing it, Xander. Good job. Good job, Xander.
Yes.
Nice.
Get it, Celtic.
Ready. What?
Yes.
Good job, Darren. Okay, stay with it, Celtic.
Stay on it.
Good job,
There you
Andrew.
go.
Good talk, guys.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Wow. Oh, get it, get it, get it.
Side.
Good job. Good job. Talk, guys, talk. Good hustle.
Get that. Intercept. There you go.
Good job, Andrew. Stay with it, boys.
All right.
Good job, Joe. Stay with it.
Got much rougher now.
Yes.
There you go.
There you go, there you go. Let's go, green.
It's allowed as long as
Yes. Keep going.
you extend your hand.
That's it, Nico. Get it, green. That's it. Nice. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Man on.
Keep talking, guys.
Nice, Darren.
That's right,
Go
Darren.
to open space. Go to open space. Don't stand still.
Yes. Yes. Go, green. Nice. Yes. Nice, Bo. Get it, Yes. Come on.
Outside.
Come on. Oh. Get there.
Come on, boys, get back.
Go, Green!
You got it, Lucas. You got it, Lucas.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job, Lucas.
See Joseph.
Transfer.
Oh my God. Guys.
Get it.
Do something.
And I now realize, yes, 8 minutes.
Stay in the field. Good. Stay in the field. There you go.
Good idea. Keep it up.
Stay in the field.
Go, Celtic! There you go. There you go.
Nice kid.
There you go.
You got it.
Hey, leave.
Keep possession, boys.
Let's go, Green!
Good job, Xander.
Go, Celtic! Yes, Xander. Keep going! Get it, Celtic! You got it, Bo. You win it, Bo. You win it, Bo.
Good job, Bo.
There you go. Get it, Green!
Top boys, let's go.
Get it, Green! Yes. Nice, Gray. Nice,
Give
Braylon.
you the space.
There you go.
Ready to line.
Get to it, Nico. Get to it, Nico.
There it is. Get it on.
Ooh. Nice.
Right, Andrew.
All the way. Take it back.
Good talk.
Get to it, Green, let's go. Good job, Braylon. Come on, guys.
Get it out.
Good job.
Go, Chris.
Come on, boys, come on.
Go, Alex.
Come on, boys, let's go.
Go, George. Be ready.
Get some.
It's always scary.
Yeah. Nerve-wracking. That's ours. Like, have you ever seen Oliver? Yeah. And he's like singing it in the opponent, right? Like, where he just goes, and then he scores. Yeah. There you go. Get it!
Hustle!
Go, Green!
Get it, Alex.
Get to it, nice.
Nice!
Go, Xander.
Nice job, Xander.
Xander.
All right. Okay.
Nice.
Yes. Yes.
Go, go. Don't that much, guys.
Let's go, Ren. Come on, Ren, get it.
Win it, Andrew. Yes.
Go, Joe. Go, Joe. Good job, Ron.
Oh, do you know where?
Good job, Xander.
Their website just says Belmont.
Let's go, you guys.
That's right.
Keep up the intensity.
Clark is Vancouver. That's right. Yeah. Multnomah County.
Stay in the field. Stay in the field. You got time. you got plenty of time. Plenty of time.
There you go. There you go. Max, man on.
Support.
Yeah.
Support. Support. There you go. Nice.
Okay. Yeah, Joe.
Good job, Joe.
Oh!
Thank you.
That should be.
I saw that.
I thought that.
Nobody scored off of the last. Just shoved in there.
There it is. There it is.
Get it! Go Celtics! You got it, Chris. Win it, Chris. Yes.
Behind.
Come on. Pass it away. Nice, Chris. Yes. Yes, Chris!
Shoot it!
Oh, isn't it out? We're doing 30. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Let's go, Celtics! Get it back!
The website's 25.
They're lying.
Yeah. They do the website flying about a lot of
Let's
things.
go!
She's
Good
like,
job,
I've been out
Max.
here all day.
You got it.
That's right.
Go ahead,
I
do
was
it.
surprised. I have to admit, I was surprised that the website
Come on,
comes out.
boys!
Like, since when did we play 25?
There it is. Come on.
Out.
You ready?
Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Yes, Braylon! Yes, Braylon! Get it out! Thank you, Andrew. That's it, Jordan! Go, Jordan! Go, Jordan! Jordan!
Go.
You got it, Jordan! Go, Jordan! Help him out! Jordan! Help him out! Let's go, Celtics! Stay on it, Celtics! Do it again, Celtics! Get it, Celtics! You got this, yes! Go, Green! Get it, Green!
Gotta attack the ball, guys. Get that. Shield him.
Take your time on this one.
You got time.
I'm off. Get out of my way. Good, Kaim. Stay rocking. Nice.
Let's go, get it back, boys!
Calgary.
I love it when I hear Noel talk like that. Oh, yeah. Noel does that more than radio.
Push it up, Lucas. Push it up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes! Go! Go, Green! That's it. Nice. Yes! Oh, nice, Braylon. Nice, Braylon.
Shielded.
Yeah, no kidding. No. Come on, Win. Yes.
Go, Peyton, go.
Although Green is in this tournament. They're in another, just in a different division.
Support. Support.
Behind you, man,
In a
behind
different
you.
division. Oh, okay, right. So we'll never play. What is this tournament?
Keep pushing it.
Northwest Pack Northwest. Okay, so they played this. And tomorrow's game. Yeah. That I knew. But we've never experienced satellite because we've never been in 11. This tournament 11. This is our first time in this tournament.
There you go!
It's too big yet.
Come on, remember.
I think it's because they really just support the younger kids, right? The younger. And they have a few 11. I mean, clearly, they Get it, Green. And we'll play on them tomorrow. Somebody.
Good job, Vander.
Yes.
Jordan.
Lovely.
Good job.
Go, Jordan.
Jordan.
Yes. Nice, Chris.
Good job, Chris.
Get it out.
Let's go, Green. Come on, Green.
That's right, Lucas. You got it, Lucas. You got it. You got it, Lucas. You got it.
All right, that's a new direction. Good job.
Yes,
Good job.
That's right. I think so.
Shut it down. Shut it down.
Good job, Lucas.
Good job, Oliver.
Take your time.
Behind you.
Take your time. Get your shape, guys.
Don't you get nervous and come to the
So one of the questions I had dinner with Tressa last night. What's your favorite gift that you would give during the holidays?
Good hustle.
It's yours. You're back.
You're good. Good job.
Does she know what it means? I told her.
Nice job, Brad.
Does she know what it means? Oh, I said before that story. I said great. I said awesome. Oh.
Good job, Celtic!
Oh, she was waiting to do that.
Go, Celtic.
And that's why do you feel like Brady's not really similar technically? Totally.
Nice ball. Nice
Yes! Yes! Get it!
little brother.
Good job,
Good job, Jordan! Jordan. Good job, Jordan. Come on! Yes!
And it's crazy because I used to always run hot. I always.
Get it, Green. Yes. Nice break.
Go, Bo.
Got Bo.
Oh, nice ball.
Yes, get it to Jordan. Yes.
Good job, Alex.
Yes, yes. Nice job, Jordan.
Go ahead, Bo.
Stop. There you go, Bryce. Good job, Bryce.
All right, win.
Good job. Way to fight through it.
Let's go, boys. Come on, Celtic. Good try. Good read. Let's go, boys.
So we're trying to figure it And,
Good job.
Good job, Matt.
yes. Get to it, get to it.
Let's go, Bo. Go, Bo. You got this. You got it, Bo. Yes. Stay with it, Bo.
I didn't realize how much
Oh, yeah!
Do it again, Braylon. Do it again, Braylon.
Yeah, come on, get there.
Yes.
Get the ball.
Look at that.
Nice.
Good job.
Good idea. Good idea.
Oh.
That's Lynn.
That was very specific.
Outside, somebody outside.
Good job, Ryan. Yes, Peter. Good job.
I know.
Good job.
That was funny.
Good job. Let's go.
Get to it, Matt.
Good job, Xander. Nice. Let's go, boys.
Hey, Alex.
Nice.
Yep, Bo.
Good job, Chris. Let's go. Pressure.
Nice job. All 3 games, we've had superior ball. Which is great.
Guys, open there. Good ball, Win.
It was easy. This morning, get anything. We should have had more.
Yeah, because we had quite a few shots on goal. Wow, really?
Yeah, Bo.
Nice, Chris. Good job. Stop.
Nice, Chris. Okay, good. Okay, get to it.
Go, Ryan. Yes.
Oh, that's right.
Good job, Bo.
Oh!
Get it. Come on, Win.
That's it.
Oh, good
Get
job,
the
Sarah.
ball. There you go.
Kenson. I haven't been here there when I was walking around. Keep it up.
Let's go, Nico.
Oh!
Yeah, coming into it. Oh, now you're not.
Look at Bo.
Oh.
Alex, look at Bo, Alex. Good job, Bo.
Come on, boy. Keep battling.
Let's go, Green.
Press, George.
There you go. There you go.
Way to move it.
That's a great ball, Ryan. Yeah, good job, Ryan. Hey, Andrew, block it. Andrew, block it. Good job, Matt. Good job, Jordan.
Good job, Jordan. Yes, yes. That's it, Bo. That's it, Bo.
Luke, you're up, Ryan.
I think he is.
Which one, Patrick? It's the Ravens now.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Bro, it's only
Come on, Andrew.
Yes.
There you go. Nice, Chris.
Come on, Celtic. Let's go, boys.
Yeah.
Get 4 on you. Pass it. 4.
Press up. Stay with the win. Let's go, boys. Get it back. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, Jordan. Oh, good job. Yes. Good job, Chris.
Chris, and he's still going.
Good job, Chris. Give it up.
Get it, get it.
I dare you, shoot it.
Yes.
Stay with it. Good job, Chris.
Yeah, Chris.
Got it, Green. Nice, Ryan.
Nice job, Adam.
Nice. Get it, Green. Get it, Green.
Good job, Chris.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Get it, Green.
That's it.
Get it, Green. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Go win.
Well, he did that scoop.
Okay. Is that considered a thing?
Get it, Alex.
Kid who did it twice. I don't remember his number, but I remember
Not
what he looks
two.
like.
2 or 5.
He has kind of a
They're in this tournament.
he has a Lionel Richie.
Are they playing? I'm not tracking their.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! I'm not tracking them.
Nice take. Nice take.
We could
Good discussion.
Yeah. Tonight,
Ryan.
tonight's dinner. We'll know. Oh. Yes. Yes. Man on.
Step there.
Go win.
Good job, Greg.
Oliver, trust your defenders.
He does like to come off.
You guys.
Talk to him, though. Who likes to sit back there and get shot?
Nice, Darren.
Yes, Darren.
Nice, Darren.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it.
So
Means nothing much. Nada mucho is actually
not a mucho.
Spanish,
Spanish.
but he calls it nada mucho.
But his version of
His
it.
version is nada
Oh!
muchazo.
Not a muchazo.
Oh!
And his version talking to Jim is
Back up.
nada muchazo, no clacker.
We got with that affect.
Yeah.
That's our version.
yeah.
That's our version of it. He's got 10. He's got 10.
Come, Andrew!
So much credit. No, it's so much serenity. No, but. No, it's just easy. Oh, it looks like it's
No. These are.
Yeah, like
These are.
they're sheer link.
Exactly. That's how cool it is. That's how cool it is.
Moist.
That's how cool it is.
Out. Nice stop.
Nice, Chris. Get it out. Nice, Chris. Nice, Darren. Win it, win. That was clean. Let's go. Nice job, Oliver.
Shake!
Go green! Right, 25. Go, boys. Get out, get out, get out, get out! Get out! Get it out! Nice, Braylon. Yes! Go, go win! Yes! His protector. Way to hustle, Nico! Get it green, get it green. No, he's allowed to. Okay, so but you still have to do it.
No, he.
Supposedly he kicked somebody.
Well, that's not exactly what happened. The other kid got knocked down.
That's it, Darren. That's it, Darren. Darren.
Go win.
That's it, Darren.
Oh!
And I said, oh, we did 2 minutes ago. We did a slide tackle, and then I saw you peel to the left. Oh, which is consistent with all of our saying. Sure. Being a hit. Right. He was okay.
Oh yeah! Oh!
Go, boys. Good job, Ryan. Go, Will. Good job, Will. Nice hit. Good job, Bo. Nice step, Bo.
Wow. Wow. Oh, he came from across. Sit it out.
Yeah! Oh!
Come on, boys. Good job, Nico. Nice. Nice.
Go, keep going.
There you go.
Okay. Get it back. Good job, Nico. Way to stay with it.
Nice, Nico.
There you go. Go green.
Oh, yeah. Go,
Yes.
Go, Darren. Good job, Zach. Good job, Xander.
See Chris?
You guys gotta move around.
That's how we felt. Right? So, you know,
Right. I
so,
can go.
yeah, why don't I do that? I'm just saying, and then you can see him with it.
Yeah, because that way it'll keep me from going through enough.
Good job, Brayden.
Oh, you have the stuff? Yes, you can. Oh, okay. But we should have done that earlier.
I didn't even think about it.
Oh, I didn't know you had it with you. Oh. No.
Oh!
But I guess I could walk with you. Well, maybe, yeah, I could go with her.
There you go, win it, win it!
Go back, Bo.
I'm totally fine with that.
Oh, yeah, come on. Go, Jerry.
Stay on win,
Go,
stay on
Jerry.
win.
Let's go.
Yes! Yes! Oh!
Trying.
Good job,
Nice.
Jerry.
Yes! go, Bo.
That's it, Bo.
Nice job, Bo.
Good job, Nico.
Win it, Ryan.
Nice.
Ryan. That's it, Ryan.
Oh!
Is that one player still in?
Nice, Ryan. Let's go, Joe. Good job, Chris.
Nice.
Get it, Green.
Shut it down!
Oliver.
Good job.
Good job, Oliver.
Watch out behind you. Good job, Jen.
Trying to stalk him.
Trying to get in his face.
Good job, Oliver.
Way to go.
Way to go. Way to step behind you. Come up to the ball, boy. There you
Nice
go.
job, Alex.
Go, Green. Get it, get it, get it, get it. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Come on, Green.
Keep going! Keep going! Don't stop, Remy!
Get it, get it, get it. Nice, yes.
Nice, Ryan.
Joe. Go, Ryan.
There you go. Rather than wait. No, I don't mean now. Oh, actually, yeah. I'm just saying, you know, we have to. I'll go ahead.
Whoa! Wow, that's hang time. I wonder who won. See who won the
Football game?
Chargers, Texans.
Oh, and Denver. Yes, that's what Oliver said. I think Wild actually. And I don't know if the Commanders were. Right. This is weird. What time is it?
Good job, Xander. Stay on Xander. Good job, Nico.
Get up, win up! Play to the whistle!
Way to stop it.
Play to the whistle!
Stop flopping.
I know! That looks like
Stop flopping.
That's it. There we go.